Now we go for the explanation. I bet after you have finished learning topic 4, you will watch this video how to relate topic 4 with your assignment. So in topic 4, what do you have? You have the concept of equilibrium. Okay, if you still remember, I have mentioned before the price for the law of demand and law of supply. When you draw the demand curve and supply curve, should not be that different, because you like to produce a diagram with both the demand and supply curve on one diagram to determine equilibrium price of your product. So if you watch my teaching video, you're supposed to know how to explain how the product price being determined in the market at the equilibrium. So here you can explain about your product, whether how the product of your how the price of your product being determined in the market. Okay, and here in topic 4 also we have the issue of government intervention, which is the price floor and price ceiling. So you can explain if it relates to your product. For example, you jual sayur kan, kalau sayur dia normally subject to price ceiling, price floor. The government will help the farmers so that the farmers can sell the product and gain profit from it. Listen back to my explanation about price floor so that you can relate with your product. And kalau you jual produk-produk yang memang essential, for example minyak ke, gula ke, dia subject kepada price ceiling, and do the explanation relating to price ceiling, and buat case scenario dulu, kenapa produk you tiba-tiba meningkat, and when the government impose price ceiling, you as a producer kan, sebagai seorang seller, what are the occurrence towards you, what happened afterwards. So next is you can explain about tax. Kalau you want to explain about tax, you don't need to explain everything, tapi like mentioned, make sure your explanation is enough for you to get the 5 marks being allocated here. Okay, so basically kalau pasal tax ni, like we learn in our teaching video, you need to show some sort of calculation. So when the government impose tax towards your product, so you ambil lah salah satu contoh harga produk awak tu. What happened to the price of product? Dia akan menyebabkan supply curve shift inwards, akan menyebabkan equilibrium berubah, dan dia akan ada kawasan untuk consumer burden and producers burden. So itu yang nak menunjukkan whether you understand or not what you learn in class. So you are supposed to show in diagram. Ingat eco without diagram is not eco. So make sure you can apply the diagram. So kalau look at the example kan, apa yang dia buat, so then first of all they explain about the equilibrium, how the price of the product of their product being determined in the market, and then they explain about what happen if the price does not follow the equilibrium. It will result to surplus and shortage. And then for the product, they mention that they have a ceiling price regulation there. Okay, so adalah penceritaan dia, what happened, kenapa ada ceiling price and so on. And this group also explain about taxes. Dia kata ada 3 ringgit per unit tax. So they draw the diagram starting the price at 40 ringgit. Maybe ada kesilapan sikit kat sini kan, 4 ringgit 50 sen, maksudnya 50 sen. Yang ni okay, dia bahagi burden of tax, nampak tak? 3 ringgit, consumer only pay 50 sen, producer pay 250. So listen carefully to my teaching video so that you are able to explain in your own words the assignment related to the product that you choose. So this student is very particular. See, They can produce a good diagram, they can produce a good calculation, so showing everything. And then they have a very good conclusion also with reference. So I think that's it lah. That's why I don't give you the soft copy, to avoid you to plagiarize, copy paste and change in your own words. Banyak kali dah saya repeat benda yang sama. We want to avoid that. We would like the student to try to understand the concept so that you benefit something from the class. So all the best everybody. Please make sure you produce a good assignment. Try hard. InsyaAllah tak akan merugikan. All the best. I'll see you when I see you. Assalamualaikum.